Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Shima Haidar Alatas of matric number 1725900. Today we are going to present about the prototype demonstration for our gamification app, which is Let's Learn. So this is the homepage for our application. We made it user-friendly since it's made for kids. So once the kid clicks start, it will move him to this page where we have two games and the leaderboard. So in this gamification app, we have two games, which is find the words, and the other one is arrange the words. And this is the setting button where the user can change the language from English to Arabic or Arabic to English. And also our application has background music, so the user can mute that if he doesn't want to listen to it. And also some of our games have pronunciation sounds, so this is if the user doesn't want to listen to, so he could mute it also. And now I'll explain find the words game. So once the user click find the words game, it will move him to this page where the application is asking the user for entering the name, and after that click start, and after that the user has to choose the level he wants. We have 4 levels in our application, which is beginner, elementary, intermediate, and advanced. So the user can choose that based on his level. So for example, the questions in beginner is much more easier than the others, and the questions in advanced is much more harder than the others. So for example, if the user click beginner, it will move him to this levels page where we have all the levels in the beginner level. So the user should start from level 1, and he can't skip the levels unless he has points. So in level 1 for beginner, he can't skip it since he has no points. So after clicking the level 1, it will move him to this page where the game starts. So here we have a picture, and the question is that the kid has to list all the objects in the picture. The user has to choose the objects, and we also have the points given for the user. Since this is the level, the first level for the kid, he has 0 points. And then the user has to choose the objects. For example, we have house, and then we also have tree. So once the user click all the objects given in the picture, the finish button will appear. After that, once the user click the finish, it will show him this message that level 2 has been opened, and also the user has gained 10 points. And once the user click back, it will redirect him to this page where it has the levels, and the levels opened by the user. The user can, since the user has now points, he can skip level 2 and open level 3. After clicking that, it will show him a message that you have to complete level 2 to unlock this level, or otherwise skip level 2 using points. And after that, once the user clicks skip, it will show confirmation question that are you sure you want to skip level 2? We will take 5 points. And after the user click confirm, it will move him to level 3 directly, and also the user has to complete that. After that, once the user click next, it will move the user to level 4 directly without redirecting him to the levels page. And after that, we have level 5, which is the last level. So once the user has finished the levels, it will redirect him to the home page where he has to choose whether he wants to play this game again or to change the game. or also otherwise to see the leaderboard page. That's it for me. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kawther Shamsu, matric number 1725298. And for my part in this project is the arrange the words. So I'm going to start the demo for my part. So start. I did the arrange the words and the leaderboards. So let's go and have a little demo, a walkthrough through the arrange the words. So when you click the arrange the words option, it's going to show enter your name. You enter your name and start. So the user will have 4 levels on their screen. They can choose it. The first one is the beginner, elementary, and then intermediate and advanced. And each level or each difficulty that the user chooses, they will have also levels within that difficulty. And each difficulty has 5 levels. So this is the beginner. You will go to the first level, and there will be a pop-up screen that shows that the first level category would be cooking. Okay, so now the user should arrange the words. So let's say the user does not know what the first word is. So the user can click the hint button, and it shows that cooking is the first letter word. It's the first letter. So you go back. You go back and you press on cooking. You can drag it. You can tap it. Is fun. Then you go to the next level. So in each level, I have conducted 2 exercises. So the first exercise finished, and then that's the second exercise. So Max bakes a cake, and then you can hit finish. It says finished, well done. Now the user can click to the next level, and they can go to the next level, and the category is animals. So again, they can do the same process. Cats eat tuna and chicken. They can hit the finish button and to go to the next level, and it will bring them back to the main menu. So each level, they have the difficulty increases. So in the first exercise, it will be in the first level of first exercise, there will be 3 words, and then the second exercise will be 4 words, and so on. And each difficulty, it increases. Okay, so now let's go to the leaderboards. We go to the leaderboards, and in the leaderboards, you can see here the names that have the most points throughout the whole game, or the game itself. Yes, and that is all for my part. Thank you so much.